done, you have to take the hairs on the sides as shown in the video. Now tie it on the top and then rotate it using the hairstyling tool. After rotating the hairs, fix this beautiful hair accessory. Now fix the ribbons on the hair accessory by making the plaits on the hairs like this. So take the hairs in the small sections and tie the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Now after fixing the hairs in the lining way like this from the other side as well, we will join the hairs together on the downside. Tie all the hairs together and it will look like a oval shape. Fix them in the lining ways like this. Now join all the hairs and then we will fold it upward after tying it in the plaited ways. Fold it and fix it and your bun is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs on the top, tie them using the rubber bands in the small sections, divide it and make the plaits. Fold it upward and fix it. Now on the downside, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this. Fix it till the end and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to fix this beautiful hair accessories on the hairs. We'll be showing you some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to tie the ponytail on the sides and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will divide it into two parts and then make the plaits in the very small sections like this by taking the hairs in the lining ways. Fix it carefully as we are tying it. Take the hairs in the small sections and join them by making the plaits. So after the end, we will fix it by folding the hairs as shown in the video. Tie the hairs carefully as we are tying it. Now at the end, we will join the hairs together as we are doing it. It will look like a heart shape if you give it a fluffy look and then tie it like this. Join all the hairs together and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs as shown in the video on the sides and make the plaits on it. Now take the upper section of the hairs in the small section and then join it by making the plaits. Now take the hairs from the front as well and join them one by one. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Now at the ends, we will start taking the plaited hairs which we made in the small sections like this from the front. Join them like this and then tie all the hairs together and make the plaits till the end on all the hairs like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs in the front and tie it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will make the plaits on it and fix it on the back like this. Tie the hairs again by taking small section on the back, fix it till the end. Make the steps in the same manner for few more times. Make the plaits on the hairs by taking all the hairs together like this. Now fix the upper plaited hairs. Pull it very carefully as shown in the video. Now fix it together and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be putting some beautiful hair clutches over it and it's done. So next, we'll take the hairs in the front and then rotate it like this. After rotating it, we will tie the hairs by dividing them into two parts and make the plaits on it. Now again, rotate it using the hairstyling tool like this. After rotating the hairs, we will fix it and then tie the hairs like this on the other side as well. Fix it at the back by making a ponytail on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.